I got to have my home back, and that my grandson could be there with me also, because he was raised in that home. So if it wasn't for her, my lawyer, I would have never got my home back.
Ours is a nation of laws, and most consumer or family law or housing disputes require court action or legal action, and many times there's an access to justice discrepancy between someone who has money, someone who doesn't have money, or people that don't have the physical, mental, or emotional ability to represent themselves pro se without an attorney. So the VAS lawyers provide that gap.
I volunteer my time with VAS because I want to help community members. I realize that the legal system is difficult to navigate if you're not in it every day. And it often doesn't take much for me to explain what needs to happen next. And so a little bit of my time can go a long ways. And I don't think that it's fair that only people who can afford it are able to get that help. And I really want to make sure that in our community, everybody gets the help that they need, regardless of what their situation is.
You know, one of the members of our board of directors said, you know, I have a skill and I have a talent that I was trained to do, and I want to be able to share that with someone regardless of their income. I think that's the spirit of our Bar Association and the spirit of the Volunteer Attorney Services program, is that if the knowledge is there and a person needs it, let's find a way to connect it with them. And I just am so impressed and so honored to be able to know that the only reason this program exists is because professional attorneys donate their time. They're giving gifts. You know, 670 hours were donated last year. That's a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of their time that they're giving, and it's critical, and they're really the ones that deserve the kudos. So I'm grateful to be able to work with them.